Are you looking for the best security camera for car? In this video we will look at some of the best security camera for car on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. KERUI 3MP PTZ Wi-Fi IP Wireless Camera. The KERUI 3MP PTZ Wi-Fi IP wireless camera is a cutting-edge home security solution that offers advanced features to ensure the safety of your outdoor spaces. This camera is designed to provide high-definition surveillance and seamless connectivity through its wireless capabilities, making it an ideal choice for monitoring your property remotely. Featuring a 3MP, 1080p resolution, the KERUI camera delivers crisp and clear video footage, allowing you to capture important details even from a distance. The PTZ pan-tilt zoom functionality further enhances its surveillance capabilities, enabling you to remotely control the camera's movement to cover a wide area and focus on specific points of interest. With its 4x digital zoom, you can zoom in on specific areas without compromising the image quality, ensuring that you don't miss any crucial information. The camera's Wi-Fi and IP capabilities enable seamless integration with your home network, granting you access to live video feeds and recorded footage from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. This connectivity is facilitated by the KERUI Smart Platform, which offers a user-friendly interface and allows you to easily manage multiple cameras, set up motion detection alerts, and customize various settings to suit your security needs. Number 2. ZOSI 5MP PTZ Camera. The ZOSI 5MP PTZ camera is a cutting-edge video surveillance solution that offers advanced features for enhanced security monitoring. Designed to provide high-quality footage and intelligent surveillance capabilities, this camera system is part of the ZOSI ecosystem, known for its reliable and innovative security solutions. The camera captures video at a 5-megapixel resolution, ensuring clear and detailed footage. This high resolution is particularly useful for identifying faces, license plates, and other important details. The PTZ feature allows the camera to pan, tilt, and zoom both manually and automatically. This enables users to remotely adjust the camera's field of view, providing comprehensive coverage of the monitored area without requiring multiple cameras. The camera is equipped with advanced artificial intelligence (AI) capabilities that enable it to detect and analyze faces and vehicles within its field of view. This smart detection helps enhance security by alerting users to potential threats or unauthorized individuals. Number 3. PTZ Wi-Fi IP Camera. The 1080p PTZ Wi-Fi IP camera is a cutting-edge outdoor surveillance solution that combines advanced technology and convenient features to provide comprehensive security monitoring. Designed to withstand outdoor conditions, this camera offers a range of functionalities that make it a reliable choice for residential and commercial surveillance needs. With a resolution of 1080p, the camera delivers clear and detailed video footage, ensuring that important details are captured with precision. The PTZ feature allows users to remotely control the camera's pan, tilt, and zoom functions, providing a wide coverage area and the ability to focus on specific points of interest. This ensures that no corner goes unnoticed and enables real-time tracking of events. The 4x digital zoom capability enhances the camera's surveillance capabilities by allowing users to zoom in on specific areas without sacrificing image quality. The camera incorporates artificial intelligence to distinguish between human and non-human movement, minimizing false alarms and ensuring that you are alerted only when relevant activity is detected. Number 4. MISECU Security Home Camera. The MISECU Security Home Camera is a cutting-edge surveillance solution designed to enhance the security and monitoring capabilities of residential spaces. Boasting a Super HD resolution of either 5MP or 4MP, this camera offers crystal-clear video quality, enabling users to capture detailed footage of their indoor environments. The camera utilizes the efficient H.265 video compression technology, which not only ensures high-quality video but also minimizes the storage space required for recording. Equipped with an integrated audio microphone, the MISECU Security Home Camera goes beyond just visual surveillance. Its audio capture capabilities enable users to monitor sounds and conversations within the camera's vicinity, providing an added layer of awareness and security. Designed for easy installation and setup, the camera follows a Power over Ethernet (PoE) configuration, simplifying the cabling process and reducing clutter. This feature also ensures a stable power supply and network connection, resulting in reliable and uninterrupted monitoring. Number 5. Reolink 12MP Ultra HD PoE IP Camera. The Reolink 12MP Ultra HD PoE IP camera is an advanced and high-quality security camera designed to provide comprehensive surveillance capabilities for both residential and commercial settings. This camera is equipped with features that make it stand out as a powerful security solution, leveraging modern technology to enhance detection, alerts, and overall monitoring. The camera boasts a 12-megapixel Ultra HD resolution, delivering crystal-clear and detailed images and videos. This high resolution ensures that you capture even the smallest details, making it easier to identify objects, people, or incidents. The PoE feature simplifies installation by combining power and data transmission into a single Ethernet cable. This eliminates the need for separate power cables, making setup more straightforward and minimizing clutter. Being an IP camera, it connects to your network, allowing you to access live footage and recordings remotely through a smartphone, tablet, or computer. This remote access is convenient for keeping an eye on your property even when you're away.